In this video, we'll take a look at the pros and cons of Salesforce CRM and help you decide whether it's worth it in 2026. Let's start with the pros. Salesforce is one of the most powerful CRM platforms available. It offers advanced sales automation, detailed reporting, AI-powered features, and extensive customization. It's also highly scalable, making it suitable for small businesses, growing companies, and large enterprises. On top of that, Salesforce integrates with thousands of third-party applications, making it easy to fit into almost any business workflow. Now let's talk about the cons. Salesforce has a steeper learning curve compared to many other CRMs, so new users may need some time to get comfortable with the platform. It can also be more expensive than competitors, especially if you need advanced features or multiple user licenses. In addition, setting up complex automations and customizations may require technical knowledge or the help of a Salesforce administrator. So, is Salesforce CRM worth it? If your business needs a highly customizable, feature-rich CRM that can grow with your organization, then Salesforce is definitely worth considering. However, if you're looking for a simple and budget-friendly CRM for basic sales management, there may be better alternatives. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your business size, budget, and long-term goals. And that's our honest review of Salesforce CRM in 2026.